This is what they call an acne explosion. Is this what you see when you look in the mirror? Imagine the wild acne you see now. Imagine how disgusting this may be. Imagine how this acne may be painful to deal with. Imagine how cancerous this acne may turn out to be if left untreated. Moreover, such treatments for acne are very painful and above all, they are very expensive. A typical treatment for acne under such treatments will cost you a minimum of $1,236, which money you may not have right now, and yet you have the same problem. Here is a solution for you. The Revital Acnezine solution is what you will need to get rid of your acne. This solution is not expensive, but it is very efficient. It was approved by the Federal Drug Authority and dermatologists in the USA. It has been used by many, and it has taken dermatologists out of business as well. It will help you get rid of acne in weeks. You will be free from acne, just like these real-life testimonies, if you use the Revital Acnezine solution. Click the link below, and get Revital Acnezine solution from the official website, and get an extra free bottle as a thank you for purchase.